Thursday Night Football presented by Bud Light Platinum. And welcome to a crisp November night in Oakland, California, as the Los Angeles Chargers take on the Oakland Raiders.
Hey, y'all boys go out and ball up today, bro. Start fast, brother. Let's get it.
Playmakers make plays, all right? Hey, playmakers on three. 1, 2, 3.
We don't need to talk a lot. We don't need to say a lot. We know we're prepared and we're ready to ball, man. Dogs on 2. 1, 2. Dog.
It's always fun when we come out here. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun game. It's going to be a good game. So come down who feel better, who wanted more. It's going to be fun.
Prime time in our home. Man, ain't nothing like it. We got to have a good one today.
Hey, it's prime time, baby. It's about to be a big game. Let's go.
Let's start up front, baby. Let's start in the trenches. Dominate the game. We don't think what to do.
It's going to be a dog fight. It's going to be a dog fight. Don't expect it to be easy. Don't want it to be easy. From start to finish. Get on that from start to finish. I need everything from everybody. That's all it's going to take for us to get this done. We at the crib. Let's put it on for our fans. Let's put it on for the nation. Let's go, baby. Hey, Savages on 3. 1, 2, 3. Savage.
Led by head coach John Gruden and his staff, please welcome your 2019 Oakland Raiders. At defensive end, number 96, Clelin Ferrell. At linebacker, number 59, team captain, Tahir Whitehead. And at safety, number 42, Carl Joseph.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, yeah, and the home of the brave.
It's that time. It's that time. Raider Nation, stand up, stand up. Raiders.
Los Angeles' division team will call the toss. The red helmet is heads. The American Eagle is tails. What is the call?
Tails.
The call is tails. It is tails. Los Angeles has won the toss. They will receive in that direction. Good luck, gentlemen.
And we'll see Phillip Rivers, Melvin Gordon, Austin Eckler and company here to start the ball game. And it's taken from inside the 5 by Riley, and Curtis Riley gets dumped.
So Crosby and Ferrell will start at the defensive ends. Rivers comes up behind the line and signals the change that he wants to go to. Let's see what he looks at. He's back into the gun, takes the snap. He's looking in that direction, comes back, and he's going to be sacked.
Rivers is swallowed up back near the 35. Crosby and Ferrell. 2 rookies get home and a loss of 8 on the first sack of the night.
Second down and 10. Play action. Steps up, fires too high, intercepted. Raiders have it at the 10-yard line. Back to the 30, 35, 40. Here comes Eric Harris. Cuts at midfield, looking for a block. He's back down to the 30. Eric Harris with an interception at the 10-yard line.
Listen to me now. What comes out, you just got to hold the coverage tonight. We'll rush the out of these guys. Best I've ever seen. Just hold your coverage. Keep getting the turnovers, man. Let's go.
So here is Carlson. This will be a 40-yard attempt. A.J. Cole puts it down, and it's good. And he is going to throw on this down.
About to take a shot.
Fires high, intercepted again. Picked off. Return to the 40. Down the sideline, 20-yard line. Here comes Eric Harris going in all the way. Touchdown Raiders. A 55-yard return on the second interception by Eric Harris. Oh, mercy. What a start for the Raiders.
3rd down and 4. This will be the first throw since the interception if he gets rid of it, and he does not. A sack for this Raiders defense. Benson Mayowa got in.
Patton is off to the left also. Rivers back into the gun. Looks to the right, fires high, touchdown. Wide open was the tight end Hunter Henry. He got himself free in the end zone, and finally Rivers got what he desperately wanted.
They hand it to Gordon, and he's going to plow ahead for the touchdown. Melvin Gordon pushes the pile, and after that defensive penalty wiped away the interception, the Chargers have their first lead of the game.
This is not a happy defensive coaching staff right now.
And now let's see what Derek Carr and the offense can come up with him. And Carr is going to throw it on 1st down, swing pass out to Jacobs, give him daylight, and he goes for 15 yards, make it 16 on the reception. He crashes across the 40-yard line. 24 seconds. 3rd down and 1. Carr roll to throw, and there's a penalty flag, diving for the end zone, touchdown pending the penalty. Alec Ingold, the receiver.
Offside, number 71 defense was lined up in the neutral zone. That penalty is declined. The result of the play, touchdown.
Yeah, it's a touchdown. It's good to go.
It's a good ball game. 3-point game at the half with John Gruden's Raiders on top 17-14.
For me, I got to get some more. That's a great drive. Great cut. Great cut. And that made the throwing lane so much cleaner for the quarterback. He just tossed it out there. This is going down to the last quarter. Probably the last series. So we need some great execution in the second half. We get the ball coming out first. So let's do what we do. You guys take over this football game. You hear me? Take over this football game, guys.
2nd down and 7 here. Carr floats it, has a man. Pass is caught down inside the 15-yard line by Darren Waller, the tight end. Just a little chip shot try by Daniel Carlson, 22 yards.
Ball is at the 14-yard line. Rivers going to back, going to throw it, hit from behind, and he's sacked. At the 7-yard line, he is taken down by Furl. There is that rookie, a 7-yard loss, and he is starting to come into his own. Rivers is back into the gun. Allen now tightens up to the formation.
Crowd's in it. Rivers. Ball is out. Penalty flag on the play, and it's recovered by LA.
Michael Badgley. Hold is good, and the field goal is good. So the Chargers cut the deficit in half, and now they are down 3. We've got 25 seconds remaining in the 3rd quarter.
Chargers have just 2 first downs this half after 16 in the first half. Down by 3 from their 20. Rivers keeps, and down he goes. That's Furl again. I think, Troy, he is showing you personally just how good he can be. He's had a nice game.
Hunter Henry one-on-one over to the right. Rivers back into the gun. Looking to the left, fires back into the middle, complete touchdown.
The 3rd lead change of the ball game and the 6th touchdown catch of the season.
So the Chargers jump ahead by 3 with 4 minutes to go. Make this extra point, and obviously the Raiders have to be all in for a touchdown to pull this out. Ingram standing up, coming from the right. Fires complete, and for a first down, a twisting move by Jalen Richard. The backfield is empty. Offensive line, a hand battle. And Derek Carr's going to take off, slide. He's down at about the 39-yard line, gave himself up. The clock now moves down inside of 3 minutes. Back into the gun on 2nd down.
2nd down and 7. Pass is caught. Renfro for a first down near midfield.
1st and 10. Fires a slant, beautiful pass, throwing the ball beautifully, and out of bounds is Richard right at the stick.
Well, 2 minutes left. 2nd down and 10 for the Raiders, down by 4. Carr steps up, throws, completes. 1st down. Renfro. He's starting to look for number 13 when the game's on the line.
Gets it off from the gun. Steps up under pressure, drops it off in underneath, complete to Richard. Richard is 1 yard shy of the 1st down across the 20-yard line.
3rd down and a long one.
The hand, big hole.
Jacobs back in the game. The rookie for the touchdown.
Touchdown, Jacobs. Touchdown, Raiders. Would you believe it? Roll Tide, baby. Rivers will take this snap back into the gun on the 25-yard line. Here's the snap. Backs it up. Pump fake. Gonna go deep. Intercepted. It's over, baby. Over, baby. Carl Joseph's got it. The Raiders are in the chase for the playoffs. Yeah, baby. That's 3 interceptions here tonight.
Back at home, 2-0. Hey, we're going to keep it rolling. That's all we got to do, keep it rolling. It was good to get a good division win. I listen to these people, man. They're crazy. I love it. That's how we got to play. That's Raider ball.
Hey Raider Nation, if you like that video, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our exclusive content, behind the scenes footage, and more. Go Raiders.